Viewers, the city of Kolkata has turned a battleground between the protesters and the police. What started off as a students' protest turned into complete chaos on the streets of Kolkata. The Bengal police erected barricades along the Howrah Bridge, which was closed ahead of the protest. However, as the protest march began, the protesters attempted to breach the barricades. Subsequently, they clashed with the cops, leading to the cops using water cannons and tear gas shells to disperse the crowd.
These protesters has been pushed back a few meters from the barricade as the protesters had breached the barricade. They had broken the barricade and was trying to enter through the Shatragachi More at that particular time. In fact, stones were also pelted from the protester side.
Water cannon being charged at the crowd in order to stop them anywhere close. It works as a deterrent. Some of these supporters tried to breach the barricade, and this is how the water cannon have been charged. There are multiple water cannons, Vajra, and also the fire tenders have been brought in to tackle the crowd.
Massive deployment of the West Bengal police is being seen in the visuals. The protesters there also at some points clashing with the officials on ground who are now marching forward, pushing the protesters, and some of them have managed to bring down barricades, tear gas shells fired as well.
The protesters, time and again, there was request being made to the protesters not to breach the barricade. See again on your screen that Kolkata police, how they are charging. And see how stones are being pelted. Now the Kolkata police is charging. Now the West Bengal police is charging. Continuous tear gas shells are being fired.
देखिए, मैं हावड़ा ब्रिज पे थी, मुझे पता नहीं आप कहाँ थी, लेकिन मीडिया के काफ़ी सारे लोग हावड़ा ब्रिज पे ही थे, एक पुलपिट के ऊपर वो लोग थे। तो किसने बैरिकेड तोड़ा, किसने स्टोन पेल्टिंग की, ये तो आपके सामने ही हुआ है। इसका जवाब मुझसे बेहतर आप ही दे सकती हैं।
Now, viewers, even as the state capital witnessed a dramatic showdown, Mamata Banerjee's MP decided to mock the protests and the protesters. And she went on to dismiss it as a mere picnic. We are now going to show you the tweet, in fact, that she had put out when the protest started. So this is what she had to say. The TMC MP, Shayani Ghosh, she said, goon-like appearances, hardly any women seen. And viewers, you have seen the visuals yourself. You saw how there were people who were out on the streets, but according to her, there were hardly any women. She claims 4 to 5 national flags seen at the most. And she also goes on to say picnic-like protest, protesters taking cool showers. You saw what exactly happened on the ground, and we are also showing to you via these visuals here. And she's also targeted the media. She has targeted the media and trying to suggest that media is using bullet sounds as background music, and bullet sounds being used to make tear gas sound like gunfire. And this was the comment that we got from TMC MP Shayani